Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup chart of accounts for accurate tax categories, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your accounting software. Navigate to the chart of accounts section from the main dashboard. Locate the option to export or download your chart of accounts. Select the preferred file format for backup, such as CSV or Excel. Choose a suitable location on your computer to save the file. Click on the Export or Download button to initiate the process. Once the file is downloaded, open it to review the contents. Verify that all accounts and categories are present and accurate. If necessary, make any adjustments to ensure proper tax categorization. Save any changes made to the file before proceeding. Next, consider creating a backup copy by duplicating the file. Store this backup in a secure location, like an external drive or cloud storage. Now, return to your accounting software to check for any software-specific backup options. Follow the instructions to create a backup of your entire accounting file, if available. This adds an additional layer of security to your financial data. Once the backup is complete, confirm that the file is saved correctly. Regularly update your backup to reflect any changes in your chart of accounts. Maintain good records of your backup schedule for easy reference. This process will help ensure accuracy in tax categorization and reporting. By keeping your chart of accounts backed up, you protect your financial data effectively. This also streamlines the preparation of your tax returns. Ensure that backups are done consistently to avoid data loss. Monitor any changes in tax laws that may affect your categories. Lastly, review your chart of accounts periodically for necessary updates or adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.